Hi, today I'm with me Nokia C31 and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first open the settings app and after that scroll down to the styles and wallpaper section. Just to change wallpaper, click to change wallpaper section and select one from your photos on your device. In your device gallery, here you'll find photos which you previously take on your device camera or downloaded from the internet. Also, you can use the default wallpapers on your device. Just let's select one from these wallpapers. Just for example, let's use this one. Here you can see how this wallpaper will look previously on the home and lock screens. Tap on the right down corner to OK and select lock screen. Just wait after that a second. We can see that this wallpaper set successfully, so let's just check it. And we can see that we just successfully changed our lock screen wallpaper. Also, we got one more way how we can do that. Just first hold for a while the empty space on your home screen with the finger, then tap to wallpaper and style and click to change wallpaper. So by the same way, just select one from your photos. For example, let's use this one, select lock screen, just wait a second, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.